Nature's power is both beautiful and unstoppable. Today, we're revealing 1 in a billion moments that highlight the incredible strength and majesty of the natural world. These rare scenes will leave you in awe of what our planet can do. Let's get it on. Heavy rains in Henan, Shanxi, and Sichuan have caused severe flooding across the regions, with rivers overflowing and homes submerged. In Henan's capital, Zhengzhou, the flood paralyzed transportation and submerged the subway, trapping many passengers. Residents in these areas are facing widespread destruction, with emergency teams working around the clock to evacuate and provide shelter. In Shanxi, heavy rains led to building collapses in Xi'an, while roads and bridges in Sichuan were washed away, isolating several areas. Rescue operations continue, but the arrival of Typhoon Praparun threatens to worsen the situation, with forecasts predicting more heavy rain and strong winds. China has declared a red alert, mobilized military units, and sent medical aid, food, and water to affected regions. The economic damage is estimated to be in the billions, and the international community has offered humanitarian assistance. Experts warn that climate change is driving the increasing frequency of such disasters. Bondo has seen its fair share of geological activity due to its location in the Alps. This landslide in 2017 was particularly severe, but it's part of a larger trend of increasing natural disasters in the region, likely linked to climate change. Heavy rainfall in the Himachal Pradesh region likely caused the river to overflow, leading to the flood. Buildings and bridges couldn't withstand the force, and many were completely swept away, leaving a trail of destruction behind. It's like watching nature hit fast forward. The white wave of snow tumbles down the mountainside, crashing into the stream below with the force of a tidal wave. Not only do lightning bolts know how to surprise, but they also know how to create their own stage by combining with a rainbow at sunset. Is this real life or the start of an alien invasion? That storm cloud in Entre Rios looks otherworldly. It's hard to believe such dramatic skies can form naturally. What's lurking inside that storm? Wow, I can't believe the sheer volume of debris. This flood in the Swiss Alps is insane. How does something like this even happen so quickly? It's like the whole river turned into a rolling mass of wood and water. It's like the mountain just exploded, sending clouds of dust and debris cascading down. Watching this is like witnessing nature's power up close, and it's both mesmerizing and terrifying. Looks like Alaska decided it was time for an extreme snowball fight, and Sage is the only target. Good thing he's fast, or he'd be getting a face full of snow the size of a mountain. The sky looks like it's reaching down to touch the ocean, twisting and swirling in a dance of wind and water. Watching that water spout off Perilene is like seeing nature paint a moving, stormy masterpiece. This hailstorm is like a miniature snowstorm, but with way more noise and a lot less fun. London's familiar gray skies have taken a wild turn, replacing drizzle with a barrage of icy bullets. A direct lightning strike hit the wind turbine, causing it to catch fire and release plumes of smoke. The powerful impact highlights the vulnerabilities in wind energy infrastructure under extreme weather. Waterfalls in India, especially during monsoon season, can experience drastic increases in flow due to heavy rainfall. This creates stunning but dangerous natural spectacles.
Jetzt gangs auf. Ja, push. Man.
I can't believe how fast that rock slide happened. Were there any warnings for people in the Rabenstein area? It's scary to think nature can strike like this without much notice.
Ja, bist du wahnsinnig.